Exercise number 1, cable rope hammer curl. The primary muscle activated during a cable rope hammer curl is the brachialis, with secondary involvement of the brachioradialis and biceps brachii. This exercise targets the forearm flexors, helping to build strength and size in the arms. Exercise number 2, cable overhead curl. The cable overhead curl primarily activates the biceps muscle. This exercise involves lifting a cable attachment overhead while curling your arm, targeting the biceps brachii muscle.
I can feel the vibration, feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it.
Exercise number 3, EZ barbell curl. The primary muscle activated during an EZ barbell curl is the biceps brachii, located in the upper arm. This exercise also engages the brachialis and brachioradialis muscles, assisting in elbow flexion.
Cause we just want retribution. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. With gods in the weak and harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. Cause we want retribution.
Exercise number 4, cable standing curl. The primary muscle activated during a cable standing curl is the biceps brachii. This exercise targets the front of your upper arm, helping to build strength and size in the biceps.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go.
Exercise number 5, cable lying biceps curl. The primary muscle activated during a cable lying biceps curl is the biceps brachii. This exercise targets the biceps while minimizing involvement of other muscles, providing a focused workout for arm strength and definition.
Words I spit so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up.
Exercise number 6, weighted standing curl. The primary muscle activated during a weighted standing curl is the bicep muscle. This exercise targets the biceps brachii, which is responsible for flexing the elbow joint, leading to the curling motion of the arm. Exercise.
Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't.
Exercise number 7, cable squatting curl. The cable squatting curl primarily activates the biceps muscles. This exercise combines elements of a squat and a bicep curl, engaging both the lower body and the arms simultaneously for an efficient workout.
The heathens got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I feel the blood creeping up from the heathens got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat.
Watch this video, like, share, subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, tell me in comment section.